Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create AI dashboards with Notion widgets. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to create AI dashboards with Notion widgets, you can simply go and tap open your Notion. So once you open and log in into your Notion account, you need to simply create an AI dashboard using the Notion's inbuilt feature. So once you simply get logged in into your Notion, you need to use the built-in feature of Notion for data manipulation and generation. Now, once you have done this, you can also embed widgets from third-party services for advanced data visualization and additional functionality. You can create a new page, format the page, and add structure to it. After doing this, you can incorporate Notion's AI for data management. After you have done this as well, you can generate insights with custom AI blocks, add widgets for visualization and functionality, and simply refine and automate it as per your preference. So this way you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.